Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can take a screenshot in your Samsung smartphone without the status and navigation bar. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So guys, if you take a screenshot in your Samsung smartphone, go to the gallery and you need to see this one, the recent screenshot. So as you can see, here is the navigation bar and you can see it in the screenshot that I taken. As you can see the network and all the bars up there. So how you can take a screenshot without that? It is simple. You need to go to the settings on your smartphone. From there you need to scroll down and you need to find advanced feature. From here you can tap on screenshot and screen recorder. Once you tap on that one, and here hide status and navigation bar, so you can enable that one. Now go back and take a screenshot again, and now I will go to the gallery to show it to you. Here, as you can see, there is no navigation bar anymore. So guys, this is how you can take screenshots without status or navigation bar in your Samsung smartphones. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.